now today, our beautiful lady here is serving us. Yeah, she's the one who is serving me today. Now this is my shade of today. 76 ball. Yeah, what's up guys? This is the Tiger KE, and today guys, I'm coming like from the Kenyatta Avenue CBD Nakuru today. Guys, if you are new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing guys, because this is now the new way to go. Please consider subscribing, like that smash button, and share this video to your friend. Guys, today I want you to accompany me. I want to go and do some shopping here. So accompany me and see how things have changed inside shop, guys. You see, I want to go in the supermarket and buy some items. Like I am here in Kenyatta Avenue, Nakuru. It looks actually very beautiful. Yeah. So guys, watch this video up here. You know, I want to give you a brief of how the price of things have changed. See guys, so I want to go in a supermarket called Jilani's supermarket here in the CBD of Nakuru town, and I want to make sure you have seen the price of items like cooking oil and other stuffs, you know. Yeah, and now you can see behind me how the towns look like. Very clean. It looks amazing here, guys. Yeah. So today guys, being a weekend, the town looks somehow cool, you see? Yeah, fewer people and also fewer traffic here. Let me close the road like that. See guys, I have some fewer people here, and I'm almost getting nearer to the supermarket. It's called Jirani's. So guys, I am already inside now. Just wanna do some shopping here. Yeah, and see the price of items that we're gonna buy today. So guys, here are some of the items that I need. They are found somewhere here. Yeah. We buy these ones for the ladies. You see? And also, I will take this thing here. Let me take this. Hey, this one doesn't want to stop, man. Crazy. So now, can I pay here? Can I pay this one here?
As you wish.
As I wish. Yeah.
As you wish.
So guys, this is where I found. What's up? Yeah? This is a GoPro. Yeah. No, it's not about sorority. It's just for the record, nothing else. Yeah, for the record of this. Yeah. So guys, yeah, you should do it professionally, you know? Yeah. So guys, these are my products here. This is huga flour, you see? No, not huga, but baking flour. And we have some other items here like cooking fat. We have tomato sauce, sugar, and of course we have another one here. So we want to pay here now. You see guys? So I'm just waiting on a line here. There's another customer. She can just pay. She has a very few products here. I can't pay fast. So I just give a lady here a chance to pay. In fact, she has a small kid, so and she has very few items. She's just paying and leaving, so I just gave her a chance to go. Yeah. And now it's my turn. Yeah. So these are items for today, guys. See? I have 6 of these.
Oh, 6 pieces?
Yeah. I have 6 pieces. Like that. Let me give her everything here to make her work easy. Yeah. So these are all our items of today, guys. Yeah. And now today, our beautiful lady here is serving us. Yeah, she's the one who is serving me today. Yeah.
Smile na waangalie tu, wete macho mazuri.
Yes, a minute. Tuna avoid.
Okay.
Unahitaji baba?
Yeah. I need a bag.
Ametoa. Ilikuwa unga.
Alafu niweke bag gani? Gilanes.
Yeah, no problem. The one that will fit my items here. So how much is my items?
4,000.
Can you confirm this one?
It's only one.
So guys, I'm paying like 4,424 for all my items here, you see? Yeah, then those. That is the price now. I hope now you have seen the price of my items. It's now on the record. So thank you. And now this is my cake of today. 76 balls. You see guys? Yeah, crazy. That's how now life is here in this place. my KSH5000 board. So now I have finished and now I'm going out with my products. Some guy here just helped me. Yeah, like that. Now I'll be done. This guy have to make sure that everything that I've carried is paid, you see? Yes. Yeah, like that. Thank you so much. So guys, I just received a very good service inside that supermarket, and now I have just finished buying my products here, and now it's time to go home having finished my work today. You see guys, this is our shopping today. I was in this supermarket here. Yeah, that was all for today. So if you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, smash that like button, and also share this video to your friends. You know guys, as we always say, los vemos a luego. Ciao. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.